Open FTK Imager by Access Data after installing it, and you will see the window pop up, which is the first page to which this tool opens. Now, to create a disk image, click on File, Create Disk Image. Now you can choose the source based on the drive you have. It can be a physical or a logical drive depending on your evidence. A physical drive is the primary storage hardware or the component within a device, which is used to store, retrieve, and organize data. A logical drive is generally a drive space that is created over a physical hard disk. A logical drive has its parameters and functions because it operates independently. Now choose the source of your drive that you want to create an image copy of. Add the destination path of the image that is going to be created. From the forensic perspective, it should be copied in a separate hard drive, and multiple copies of the original evidence should be created to prevent loss of evidence. Select the format of the image that you want to create. The different formats for creating the image are RAW, DD. It is a bit-by-bit copy of the original evidence, which is created without any additions and/or deletions. They do not contain any metadata. SMART. It is an image format that was used for Linux, which is not popularly used anymore. ER1. It stands for Encase Evidence File, which is a commonly used format for imaging and is similar to AFF. It stands for Advanced Forensic Format, that is an open-source format type. Now, add the details of the image to proceed. Now finally add the destination of the image file, name the image file, and then click on Finish. Once you have added the destination path, you can now start with the imaging and also click on the Verify option to generate a hash. Now let us wait for a few minutes for the image to be created. After the image is created, a hash result is generated, which verifies the MD5 hash, SHA1 hash, and the presence of any bad sector. These are the steps for creating an image file of digital evidence using FTK Imager.
Please subscribe and click the bell icon.